So we're down here in Plumstead in southeast London. This is another project we're starting tomorrow morning. So what we're going to be doing on this project is removing all of the Pebbledash from all the brickwork on the front of the property. Once we remove all of the Pebbledash, we'll clean all of the brickwork, cut out and replace all of the damaged bricks with matching London stock bricks, repoint all of the brickwork in natural lime mortar. I'm going to show the customer some different samples, work out what style he'd like to go for best. I'm going to be doing some stone restoration here. I'll get back to that in a minute. Up on the top elevation on this parapet wall, what we're going to be doing is taking all of this off and hopefully replicating this King's Head brick style all the way through. But until we take this off, it's all completely blown anyway, so we'll see what we got to work with under there. If not, maybe we'll go for a new cornice band going all the way across. Customer's quite undecided what he wants to go for yet, but once we get it all off, give him some options and some ideas to work with. On the stonework, I'm going to be decorating all of the stonework. As you can see, it's very badly blistered and crumbling away, so this will all have to come off. Can't paint over anything like that, so strip all of the paint off. Then we're replicating some window surrounds on the windows. They've been taken off over time, so the lads will restore new window surrounds around the edges of the windows. I'll show you some bits what they're going to look like in a minute. Restore the window sills, get all them looking perfect and square. Some restoration above the front door on the molded work there, so that'll all be restored, looking razor sharp and lovely and clean, ready for decoration. Doing a new plinth on the base of the property as well. So downstairs, take this old plinth off, restore that, get some nice new period air vents, get all of this paint off all of the stonework around the front door, square up the window sills there, new window surrounds around this window here. So I'll show you what window surrounds we're going to be going for the original look, which will be this mould here. So we'll be replicating the window surrounds on both windows so it matches the original features like this, and then obviously decorate all of the stonework once it's all been restored. So lads are starting tomorrow morning. Customers really excited to be getting the project underway, and we'll show you some progress early next week, see how the lads are getting on, and show you some styles of pointing that the customers decided to go with. So if you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we're more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much. So we're down here in Plumstead in southeast London. This is an update video of our project we're currently working on. So what we did on this project was removed all of the Pebbledash from all the brickwork on the front of the property, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching London stock imperial bricks, repointed all of the brickwork in natural lime mortar in a penny roll finish. So I'm just going to give you a little close-up of how that all looks. As you can see, another perfect finish as always. Still drying out in areas. Customer did have lots of damp on the front of this house, but as you can see now, it is all starting to dry out really well. Detailing, the pointing as always has come up fantastic. What else we did on this was restored new window surrounds. So if I remember rightly, there was just a flat rendered band around the edges of the window, so the lads have restored new window surrounds all the way around, all been restored freehand. They've all been decorated now. Done a new plinth. I think that's going to be painted black with some nice new period air vents to go in there. We've got to get the scaffolding down next to do some restoration work on the stonework above the front door. So we've got to restore all of the moulded cornice work on that there. We've also done the window surrounds on this window, so they've all been restored by hand. Customers having new windows put in, so once the windows are in, it's going to really set it off. be changing all of these windows. Up the top we've done a new cornice as well, so renewed all of the cornice all of the way through. New rendered parapet, render work beneath the cornice. Done some nice rendered bands coming all the way down the house, both sides as well. So like I say, that's all been decorated now. You can get the scaffolding down and finish a bit around the front door. It's got a sky cable to tack back before we can take the scaffolding down. The cornice work has come out really well, set it off lovely. So just a little clean down on this one, get the scaffolding down, get back to do the work around the front door, and then the next phase is garden walls and railings. So what we're going to be doing is doing some new garden walls leading up to the front door. So we're going to have, I believe, new garden wall running along here, nice new pier on the front, take down this section of brickwork, having a retaining low wall garden wall along here with railings coming along here, new pier here, sorry, with railings going along all the way here. Customer wants to replicate the original railings, so they're all going to be done in black, and then I think he's doing a new Victorian path to finish off. So this is a massive transformation to what it currently looked like. If you scroll back to our previous videos, you'll see how it originally looked before we started. So looking forward to getting the scaffolding down now, getting the work around the front door done, and then we can concentrate on the garden walls and get this all tied up for the customer. So if you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we're more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much.